Hi guys, it's Nanda with Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made my patriotic paper flowers. If you're interested in watching this video, it will be by the end of this video, and I will link in the description down below if you want to check it out, my patriotic flower pot decor. So today I'm going to show you how I made the flowers. And to make the flowers, you're going to need 4 different sizes of flowers, and the size of your flowers depends on the size of the flower pot that you are using. You want the flowers to be proportional to the size of your flower pot. So I got the flower templates from Google and I copied to Word, and then I create 4 different sizes. So I already traced this on a piece of cardstock. So I traced this one 3 times on a piece of cardstock, as you can see in here. And then I traced this one 1 time. And this other side, you're going to need just 1. And then you're going to need just 1 of this size too. So only this size over here that you're going to trace 3 times on a piece of cardstock. And next, you're going to cut all the flowers. And they're going to look like this. So when you're done cutting all the flowers, you're going to trace the pencil mark for each flower. And then when you're done doing this part, you're going to need a flower shape foam. And then the size that you trace your flowers, you're going to flip it. So with a wooden dowel, just find the middle of your flower and press down. Make sure it's in the middle. And for the tiniest flower over here, you're going to need another size of wooden dowel. So this is all depends on the size of flowers that you choose. So the only one that I'm using this other size of wooden dowel is for the tiny one over here. All the other ones I'm going to use this wooden dowel. So when you're done, just press in the middle of each flower. You're going to cut with the scissors just until the circle. You don't want to go over the circle that you have in here in the middle of the flower. Like that. Flip it to the other side. If you need to cut on this side over here, cut a little bit. And there you go. I'm going to do this with all the flowers. All right, so now that I have all my flowers cut in the middle of the petals, I'm going to use a stick, and then I'm going to put it in the middle of the petal, and then I'm going to pinch up like this. And I'm going to do this same process with all the flowers. In the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. So after I'm done pinching all the sides of the petals of the flower, I'm going to use the wooden dowel again, and then I'm going to just press in the middle. like this. And I'm going to do this with all the flowers. Now that I'm done with all the flowers, I'm going to glue them together. And to glue them together, you're going to alternate the petals. So this petal has to glue in between these two over here. And the next one, you have to glue like this. So the petal has to be in between the other petals of the other flower that you already glued. That is hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. All right, now that I'm done with the flower, I'm going to knead the stick. And this over here, I am going to use the X-Acto knife to just cut a little bit just to make thinner. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. There you go. That's how I want it, because I'm going to glue this on the back of the flower. So I'm going to use in here hot glue. Find the part that you want to glue the stick. So I'm going to use this side over here. And hold. So now I'm going to need a paper circle. I will apply a little bit of hot glue in here. To glue the paper circle. And the flowers is all done. As you can see in here, I have a white flower, a red flower, and a blue flower. And if you want to do the same thing as I did in here with my red flowers, I apply stickles all around the edges of each petals. So after you're done, glue the stick on a flower. Make it easy for you to apply the stickles all around each petal. And then you just let it dry. And this is the video for today. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and ring the bell to receive notification every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! In sunlight or in the night.